So this is gonna a shout out for the day. It's Michelangelo Landoy. So he requests that I'm gonna do a shout out for him. So let's go to the showcase today in Playing Crazy. So let's go to the video. So my game is still working. So this is my train, my steam train. It's definitely working, so you can definitely see it. So I'm just gonna show you how it's gonna work. Just gonna fix this. Gonna fix the control. There. I'm gonna make a tutorial if you want to this steam train. So let's go. You're gonna be impressed to hear. Look. I'm gonna go to forward. See, it's already working. So it's just like a steam train. It had to put the coal here and some rods, numbers, and smoke pipe. So even this is gonna go to a turn, still working. So let's go for a ride. It's just gonna be a little bit long because the cylinders, the 3x3 cylinders, just glitching out to the wheels. And here it comes. And turn. Gonna turn again. This is had a horn too. Did you hear it? Something like that. And some lights. There. Now we're going to the night with this. Let's go. You can role play with this if you go to the station of trains. If you want, do some role play if you want to. Just gonna showcase this video. So we are going straight ahead. It's definitely working. So I just put some rods to the wheels to make it more realistic. Some smoke pipes for the train. And also, if you're watching some cartoon with train, you can definitely see that there's something smoke out from the start smoke. The wheels in front, you can definitely see that there's a smoke pipe there. And even here, look, if I click C, it's much more look like that train is stopped, and you can off it for the start. And let's go. Pretty cool, right? So we're going to a too long curve. This is had to be long. Gonna go make day. Let's wait. I think I crashed or something like that. Oh, there. Fix it. There. So we are going front. So it's just I'm gonna put some trailer in the tutorial if you want to make like this tutorial. So if you want to be fast like this or make the motor, here just change it to 50 or 30. My speed today is 30. I use the speed that to this train, so it's not gonna be so fast, because if you put it in 50, the train will automatically shake, and even if in the turn you can definitely derail. Yes, you can definitely derail. So still epic, so I put some signs for the numbers. I'm just gonna switch this. Just gonna switch this one. There. Now it's switched. So let's go. So we're going into a speed. We're going to the station. Going to a curve. Even here, when I try this, when I'm building this, I try to fix the problem because I'm derailing. So we are in the station. So that's my showcase today. So hope you guys like this showcase. Consider subscribing, it's free, and also like the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!